ready to turn your crypto gains into real-world spending money. Today, we'll walk you through withdrawing funds from Coinbase to your bank account, making the process simple and secure. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or go to Coinbase.com on your computer, then tap on the My Assets tab. Here you'll see all your crypto holdings. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to convert to cash. In this example, we will use USD coin. After selecting the desired crypto asset, click the Sell button. You will see the sell screen now. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell in USD or crypto equivalent. After entering the correct amount, confirm your order, and now you should have USD available in your Coinbase account. Now, let's withdraw to your bank. Click the Send, Receive button, select the Withdraw tab, and choose USD balance as the source of funds. In the next step, select the bank account you want to transfer funds to. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your bank account by following the on-screen instructions. This usually involves verifying a small test deposit. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and carefully review the withdrawal details, including any associated fees and estimated processing time. Coinbase will show the fees charged for the transaction before you confirm. Finally, confirm your withdrawal. Processing times can vary but typically take 15 business days, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Coinbase to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement to verify the deposit. Now you are ready to manage your funds with confidence.